Hello guys, so let's unbox this Xiaomi Poco phone, which is global version and 128 gigabyte of storage. Let's see what's inside it. I don't care about these things. I care about these fucking crazy things. There is, charger and cable and then ejector, which is meaningless for me right now. Just put it aside. And this is the phone. Everyone know that there is three button and there is a SIM card slot, and here's the camera. I can take this peel off the what is called the screen or what, and let these things remove. Yes, and let's start the phone, see what happened. Yeah, Xiaomi Pocophone. I will do it forward. No problem, no problem. Yeah, wait a second. MIUI 9, United Kingdom. I will choose region as India because I'm Indian. So, setting up. I like this style and look. I don't remember the password. Class. I agree. Why? Kika. I don't. I must click this and then go, because maybe they gonna take some data from my phone. What is this? It's looking very bright, by the way. Insert the SIM card. Next. Help me find. Send system data. No. Install update later. See, these kind of things. Send diagnostic data. I don't want to send personalize. Automatic update. No need. For now, user experience. I don't want to share any sucking things. Alright, this is the Poco team. Let's go on. The setup is completed, I think. We gotta go. You ready? You are ready. The brightness on my camera. I have an issue. Make it like this much. Oh shit. This is fine. It's loading all the app because it is starting for the first time. So as you can see, there is charger, and now they announced that this phone having fast charging, I mean quick charging 4.0. So that's also good news. And this one also support UFS 2.0. I mean it's very faster, the transmission of the data. Like, allow Poco launcher to access storage. Alright, no problem. Oh wow. In the mobile phone, in reality, what I'm seeing directly to the mobile is looking very, very beautiful. I'm telling you, I can see every single pixel from here, every single pixel. But maybe in the recording, there may be some issue, but I like it. There are a lot of talks about it, that this phone having this issue, plastic. I don't care about the plastic. The phone I'm using right now, which I'm using for the recording, also it is a plastic phone, Xiaomi Redmi Note 4, which is I think 6 year old. But that's really amazing. Let's see the camera is working or not. Remember, my location is okay. What is it? Yes, it's working. You wanna see the front camera? See this one is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4. It's really, really old. I can't show my face. Well, I'm gonna check that later, but I have to check my storage. It is real or not, because they show that it's 128 giga. I will show how much they give it to you. Let's, oh, see, I bought this phone very new. It's 128 GB, so they already took 11 giga from your storage. This is it's as usual, because they have to install a lot of system software, a lot of thing inside it, so it took data from here. Well, there's a lot of features like second storage, full screen display. I mean, this notch will go off, you can turn this off. And here you can see about, which is which version it is. Oh, Oreo. I like it. 117, sorry, you have to focus it. 117 giga is remaining from 128. And that's about it. And I like this MIUI functionalities. Oh, what is this? Poco. Ooh la la. There's a lot of things to discuss about, but my main focus was to show you how it looked like. The gallery will look like this. And there is a lot of functionalities in it. And I'm sure if you buy it, you're not gonna disappoint. You're gonna love Xiaomi. You're gonna love Pocophone, and it's really worthy, man. It's just fucking $300. That's not big things. It's like 1,250 dirham and around 20,000 Indian rupees. You're gonna love this phone. See this camera? Oh wow, it's like a, and I heard about the fingerprint sensor. It's really fast. And IR blaster, sorry, not the IR blaster. This one, the infrared the face unlock technology. That is really incredible fast. There is already some applications, which is like a Netflix and a lot. So hope you guys enjoy this. And this is Pocophone. I can give it to you. No, I'm not gonna give it to you at all. Alright, see you guys. Enjoy. Have fun.